Okay, there's one more adventure we have to do before we leave Revelstoke, and that is it's so convenient. If you do the dam tour, it's right as you exit the dam is the BC Interior Forestry Museum and Forest Discovery Center. And you know, forestry has such a huge part of BC's history, so the inside of the museum you see here was so informative to learn about forestry industry in British Columbia, and showed you how they did forestry in the 60s and showed you all the equipment. So really cool. And after you hang out inside, I really love the outside also. They showed a bunch of equipment they used to use. Plus, this is a really great area to sit on a picnic table, see the view of the dam one last time, relax with a sandwich, a drink before you head on your road trip back to wherever your destination is. So have a little look at the BC Interior Forestry Museum.